Hey guys, welcome back to the Kenny Show. In some of our previous videos, you might have seen this Kitchenaid mixer. We use it a lot with this Kitchenaid brand meat grinder attachment. But as you can see right here, you can see that it's gotten cracked. This crack means that bacteria can get in here and it can get in our food. So we're going to replace it with this Chef's Choice International Premium Metal Food Grinder attachment. So let's see what's in the box. Whoa, that thing is plastic, and that thing was plastic, and the other one was wood, so this one's plastic. And it was already opened. We get a new food pusher. This one was the old one, and this one's the new one. So this was wood, and now this one's plastic. Let's see what else we get. There. Okay, so you get 2 pieces of cardboard. We got a metal hopper, which kind of feels like aluminum. Now let's see what this other thing is. Ooh, our metal meat grinder. Maybe I could grind some meat or something. Ooh, now this feels like stainless steel. In the inside of the food pusher, it comes with 3 little attachments. We got 2 grinding plates with 2 different size holes and a cutting blade. To assemble this unit, you have to take off the locking ring, and inside there's a worm gear. Then you put the cutting blade in with the flat side facing towards the top. Then you grab your meat grinder, and there are some nubs. You put it on the nub and it slides in. Then you put the locking ring back on and you got it. Next, you put the hopper on top. Then you get your food pusher and get ready to grind some meat. Next, we have to wash this and then get ready to grind some meat after we attach it to the Kitchenaid mixer. This is so cool. We got it cleaned and hooked up, so let's see how this thing can grind meat. Now let's grind some meat. This is about 3 pounds of meat in about 3 minutes. This grinder put less stress on this motor than the white Kitchenaid grinder did. Here's a tip. Run some pieces of bread through your meat grinder so that it can clean all the meat out that didn't come out. Go. It's much easier to clean bread out of the blades than to clean meat. Just so you know, the hamburgers taste a lot better when you grind your own meat. I love the meat because it has on it. Make sure to like, subscribe, and leave comments down below. And in the comments, tell me what you do with 3 pounds of freshly ground beef. Now I know why you're like, ooh. I did right. Oh yeah. I did right. I'm just taking it apart because I really don't want to eat the whole thing like the whole thing. It's too big. Yeah, it's too big, kind of. That's what my brother said.